care about your Hummer whip. I'm just trying to grab the ball so I can fucking run with it. What the people wish for, I can't even stomach it. Shit that I wish for you and think about some other shit. You wanna be the boss, don't wanna be a Rick Ross. Talk about the whips I push and what my neck costs. Not a one guap that can spin it round and just toss. So whatever comes up, my nigga, it just falls. Fresh air to breathe in, no diseases or cure to believe in. No misleadings, live life with some reason. No mistreating, blind wife with a C, man, and I'm cheesing. Might see nothing to you, but that's enough for me. With nothing to lose and something to be. There's something for you and there's something for me. But whatever path you choose can be your destiny. But sometimes in life you make the wrong turn, then you turn to ashes. Don't catch the wrong burn. Just rise like a phoenix and get out of that urn. Just remember the scars and that's how we learn. Just look at the stars and the sun that we yearn. Plus the aliens ain't fall, we already been hurt. You rather die consumed with bling in the room, while I die in a tomb on dark side of the moon, with the angel in the moon playing Pink Floyd tunes. I'm just dropping some jewels on you hard-headed fools. Put in work with the tools, sand it out real smooth. And if you're talking the truth, then I'm talking to you. Make the world go loom with the words that I move. What more can I say? I got nothing to prove. Words.
Hey yo, J-Sap, c'est Yeri Tron. We dropping jewels. Listen. Hey yo, 2012, I'm out here celebrating my post-demise. Through the debris of the jungle, still I rise. I'm bumping Red Hot Chili Peppers and Phil Collins, expanding my mind so when I wake up I can kick knowledge. I'm bumping Dead Prez, eating General Tofu. Pole get pole, so there's no shopping at Whole Foods. So new, yes, so full. And you be amazed at what I've gone through. Now no one knows if there's UFOs or any life on Mars or what they doing in the stars. So tell me what's the truth, I can't keep it realer. These niggas don't know themselves when they looking in the mirror. I know you haters, hoping that I fall off. You have a better chance going working at a car wash. I gave niggas opportunities, and this is the way you gon' show me the gratuity. I'm still winning, just letting you know. And I see that you niggas is moving pretty slow, I be up top, up in Gotham City. Still home, nigga, show no pity, no mercy. Nah, nigga, you can never hurt me. I be with the goons out, try to ever hurt me. You won't be around no more. Say goodbye, sayonara, no more. And I keep going, flowing. J-Sap, funky shit, real hip-hop. All my real niggas stand up. Real spitters, ball spitters, top spitters.